Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Warframe mobile error. Login failed, could not connect to server. So if you're getting this error in Warframe mobile on Android devices, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to try to change username. You can try a different username and then it should work. Change the username to one that isn't taken. If the name already exists or if it is taken, then this shows up. So you have to just try to change the username and then check if it works or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it doesn't work, then here follow some of the other fixes. Next fix is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Warframe app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Warframe and tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then kindly update it to the latest version, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and then check if the error is fixed or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you must check the Warframe mobile server status. If you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any outage issues, then you have to wait for the server status to get back online or restored, and then you can check back later if the problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve login failed, could not connect to server error in Warframe mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.